How to add Capital One card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the wallet option. Tap on that and further tap on the add card option you see there under the payment cards option. Further, select the add debit or credit card option and then go ahead and tap on the continue button. Now in the interface that you will be led to, enter your Capital One card name and card number, and with this, the card will be added to your Apple Wallet. So this is how you can add Capital One card to Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.